This video is about do-it-yourself roller for transporting the heavy I-beam. It doesn't have to be always I-beam, it can be anything heavy with a flat. So one surface, at least one surface flat. I start with the big wood block, what I want to store and purchase leftovers, and I selected this high enough for reason when the product is finally done, you can put jack, automotive jack here under the beam what is on the rollers and lift it and reposition these rollers as you go, as you're moving the roller. Then this roller, what I purchased online, eBay, it was I think $5 used, but I see online same product for $17 brand new. It's a steel roller, 13-inch, has a spring loaded for installation. Then I went to Harbor Freight, and in Harbor Freight I purchased ATV winch mounting plate, what is cost $4.50. And I modified this plate by drilling the hole. You have to drill a hole that this shaft of the roller will fit in. Then I assemble it, as you see this one here, and I was happy that I can roll my beam on it. Then I find out if I like to reposition, remove this roller from under the beam, I have to lift the beam so much to pass this edge. I said, oh, that's not a good idea, it's useless this. Then I went to shop and I cut to shorter it. It's the same plate, I just cut it, and now it's much better because when the roller is inside, I'll show you. You see, it's almost the same level. It means I'll take the beam on and I can roll. And as you can see, if I need to, as I'm moving, let's say I'm moving this roller here, roller's on the end, I need to, this one is already free, I like to relocate on somewhere else, on the front of the beam. To remove, I will have to so much this beam, heavy beam, to be able to remove the roller. With this one, I need just lift probably 1/4 inch and I can slide it out. That's all about this, and it's very helpful. I moved 2,000, it was 2,000 pounds beam I moved myself. It's kindly hard, I'm older, it's kindly hard to move one person, but two guys, piece of cake. I also designed, in other video you will see, I designed the rotation device, because when I get inside of my house I have to rotate entire beam 90 degree, and I'll show you how I did it myself. One person operation, rotate 2,000 pounds beam 90 degree. That's all.